Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to remove the primary domain on Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Bluehost account from this hosting page. Click on cPanel button. Then scroll down to domains. Where is it? This is it. Below domains, click on domains. Here you will see your primary domain. In my case, it's bentutorial.com. Click on manage next to it. And now I can see the remove domain option. Now, if I click, as you see, warning, if you remove the primary domain, it will permanently delete the domain from your account. You cannot undo this action. This will not remove the original or the primary domain document root, which is this address public HTML folder. Click on remove domain. Are you sure that you want to remove the primary domain? Yes, remove this domain. Before the system can remove, you must remove the subdomains. Yes, I have the subdomain. So let's look for, I will return. I should start by removing the subdomain first. Click on manage, remove subdomain, yes. The system removed the subdomain that was using the primary domain. Now let's repeat the same thing for the primary domain. And now the system removed the primary domain and any associated redirections. Now let's go back to the Bluehost account, refresh. Now if I go to the websites page, then click on manage next to my primary website, then go to domains. As you see, the only connected domains to my primary website, which is bentutorial.com, is only this temporary URL. And if I try to access the domain I've just deleted, I will see that there is an SSL certificate error because my domain was disconnected. And this is how to delete your primary website's domain on Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.